Alrighty, what's going on, you guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Instant Pot. Yeah, I love this thing, man. This thing is so cool. Such a cool. I've always been. Okay, even since pretty cool. I've really always loved new kitchen devices. I fell in love with one of these things called a sous vide a couple years ago, and they're very expensive, so I've never been able to get one. But these are super cool, and I'm just like, if you love cooking, I'd highly recommend one of these. They're just awesome. I don't want to talk about them a little bit. They're great for tons of different recipes. You can cook many different things in many different ways. Works, it's basically a pressure cooker and all. Although, works as a steamer, works to just warm things up. Just does a lot of different things. Works really quickly as well. Really can cut down your cooking time, and not only does it work quickly, it can work while you are not working, which is like one of the best things ever. Sometimes I have very busy days, and as much as I love to cook, sometimes I'm just very tired and can't cook. And basically have this thing going, which is really awesome. I've made chicken in it, I've made deviled eggs in it, I've made chili in it, I've made rice in it, and just an array of other things. It makes the food really fresh as well, which I love. It's not like nuking things and microwaving. I like to not microwave as much as possible. It dries out food, sucks the nutrition out of your food. This is something that can keep everything in. It's a pressure cooker, so all the juices, all the nutrients, everything stay inside. Still stays fresh, stays moist. Really cool. It's easy to use, which is one of the things that I love right when I got it. Some of these kitchen devices can be, not too user-friendly. So the one thing I loved about this when I got it is that I figured out how to use it right away. It looks very confusing with all the buttons on the front, but they all make sense. This is basically like your control panel. This is what's going to control everything on here. And as you can see, the buttons are pretty self-explanatory. You have all your different poultry, bean, chili, meat, stew, soup, broth, rice. So whatever you're cooking on there, these are the typical things you'll cook on there. Kind of says everything you need to know. And then how you will be cooking it. Slow cook, pressure level, keep warm. You make yogurt in here. I haven't done that yet, but you can. Pressure cooking. So everything is very simple on here. You also have the delay start button. This is great because you can essentially put something in here in the morning, and you'll have it ready for you, when you come home. So again, cutting down on your cooking time, which is super cool. As for the build, the whole thing is made of stainless steel. It does get hot. That is one thing to watch out for. The walls aren't like too thick inside, so it does, it's not something. The touch panel is fine. The stainless steel and the stainless steel right up here are going to get hot as you're using it, so you must be careful. Great thing is, even with that, it is very safe to use. As you can see, the top part locks on really nicely. It seals up, and then you can also unset it to vent right here in the back. So that's basically you're letting all the steam out and everything. But it won't even work it won't even turn on until it's sealed. So a little safety precaution that they've used, which is cool. We also have all the handles too to pick it up nice and safely if you need to move it for any reason. It stays pretty clean as well because it's like this brushed kind of stainless steel. You don't get like fingerprints on it, as you can see. It stays very clean, which is great. Love appliances that I don't have to clean. So that's cool. Yeah, as for like its actual use, I've used this for just a couple dinners that we've had with friends. It's great for making solid appetizer dishes. I would say if you're trying to really feed a family, they could probably feed up to like 5-ish people, maybe. But sometimes we'll use it, we'll just make food and we'll have leftovers for a couple of days, which is awesome. If you're cooking a big batch of rice or something like that, we'll cook a lot of rice. So it's nice to be able to just throw it in here, have it done, boom, I can use it the rest of the week. It's very helpful in that regard. It's definitely if you are trying to save money or save time, and I think those are both very interchangeable things, then you can, get one of these. Just cuts down your cooking time, cuts down your energy use, and just like makes great food, you know, and healthy food as well. So I would highly recommend this thing. Can't say anything better about it because it's so awesome. Yeah, anyway, this is the Instant Pot. Check it out. Alrighty, take it easy, you guys.